Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 26 March 2021. So this analysis is for 26 March only. You will see me on Sunday again with a new list of stocks for Monday. Okay, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendations. And I have a small request: if you're busy right now or if you're doing some kind of work, then please watch this video later, because this is not a signal service. Okay, I'm not here to provide you signals. The main purpose of this channel is to educate you so that you can also understand, you can also generate your own buy and sell calls in the future. Okay, I want to educate you. I want to make you understand why I am telling you that you can buy here, you can sell here. Okay, so if you're busy right now, you can watch the video later so that you can understand better. So let's jump to the screen. So you can see that I have already written the name of the first stock, SMDS. Okay, so SMDS is the first stock for the day. So we can see that yesterday it has closed at 406.6 level. Okay, this is the 406.6 level, last traded price, and there is a support. Okay, you can see that there is a support at this level, 396, sorry, 396 level, and the stock is respecting the 396 level, because you can see that every time the market is going down or market is testing the support, okay, it is reversing from there, which signifies or which means that 396 is a valid support. In case today market starts going down, then if you see that the stock, the price of the stock is slipping, okay, and if you get the stock at 396 level, then just observe the price. If you see that stock is reversing from there, if you see some bouncing back of the stock from 396 level, it's a buy. Okay, and another thing for SMDS, you can see that yesterday it has formed a hammer kind of a pattern. A hammer kind of a pattern generally signifies that there was good price rejection from above. Yes, the stock went down, but after testing the 396 level, the stock went up. So it is a clear indication that yes, buyers are present in the market, okay, and they are quite in a good position. Therefore, if you get the stock above 407 level, then also a buy. Therefore, two calls or two price levels that you need to watch for SMDS. The first is 396. If the stock goes down, that 396 is the level to buy. Secondly, 407. In case there is a gap up open, stock opens above 407, wait for 15-30 minutes, let the price settle above 407. If you see that after 15-30 minutes stock is trading comfortably, then it will be a clear indication that yes, the resistance has become the support now. Okay, and in that case, go for a buy. So this is the first stock, SMDS. Let's jump to the second stock, and it's Phoenix. For Phoenix, you can see that there was a resistance at 726 level. Okay, there was a resistance at 726 level, and the stock has successfully closed above the daily resistance, which is a very good sign, and ultimately closed at the day's high at 727.2 level. Okay, so simple call for Phoenix. As you can see, it has made a quite a good candle, good green fat candle, okay, with price rejection from below, okay, and ultimately closed above the daily resistance. Okay, therefore only buy call for Phoenix above 727.3. If you get the stock above 727.3, buy. So let's jump to the third stock. It's HSBC Holdings. For HSBC Holdings, there are multiple lines. Let me delete. Just like the SMDS, you can see that it has tested the daily support available at 417 level. Day before yesterday also it tested the daily support. Therefore, the support is valid. The support is doing a great job. undoubtedly. Therefore, we will look for buy position only above 425 level. Okay, HSBA, and the price level is 425 because see, uh, it is taking support. Okay, which means that the support is quite strong. Therefore, we will not be looking for any shorting opportunity. And you can see that overall the trend of the market is not towards the downside. Okay, overall the market is bullish. Therefore, it will be good for us to look for buying position only, so that we get to stay along with the trend. Okay, therefore only buy call above 425 level because it formed a doji kind of a pattern. So only buy call above 425 level. Okay, so let's jump to the fourth stock, LGEN, Legal and General Group. For LGEN, you can see that yesterday it closed at 275.5 level. Okay, and just look at the candle, a big fat candle, no price rejection from above, quite hammer, which signifies that yes, bulls were very much in pressure yesterday. Day before yesterday also good. Before that also very good. Three consecutive green candles, and the stock is taking support at the 50 moving average. Okay, which is a very good sign. Okay, and the stock has also closed above the daily resistance. Okay, because see, though three candles in a row, three green candles in a row, but every time the stock open below the daily resistance, ultimately it closed above the daily resistance. Okay, so we can say that bulls are dominating the market. Okay, as of now bulls are there who are not allowing the stock price to go down. Therefore, this is the price level. Okay, we will be looking for buying opportunity only above the day's high. Okay, that is 275.7 level, and as you can see there is a resistance at 279 level. So in case you enter the market, okay, just be careful at the 279 level. If you see that the stock is struggling near the 279 level, come out of the trade. Okay, and in case there is a gap down open and the stock opens at the 50 moving average, okay, then also see if the stock reverses from the 50 moving average taking good support, okay, as it was doing till yesterday. Okay, you can also go for a buy at the 50 moving average. This level is also very important. So the last stock for the day is BT Group. For BT Group, we can see that it has formed a pin bar or shooting star kind of a pattern with good price rejection from above, which means that yesterday it tried to go up. Okay, it tried to go up and made a high of 149.8, but the price failed to sustain. Means there are sellers in present in the market who did not allow the price to sustain above 149 level. Okay, and ultimately the stock closed at 145.35 level. So we will be looking for shorting opportunity only 144.7 level. This was the yesterday's low, because just by looking at the selling pressure yesterday, okay, if it continues today, then we will try to short the stock below 144.7 level. Okay, so these are the 5 stocks that you can trade on 26 March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Do subscribe. Bye bye, and see ya on Sunday with a new list of stocks for Monday. Bye bye.